All right, let's settle this. Plasticity versus Rhino. Both are powerful 3D modeling tools, but they serve different types of creators. And choosing the wrong one is like using a hammer when you actually need a scalpel. Plasticity is the new kid on the block, built with speed and simplicity in mind. It's like Blender met CAD and decided to actually be fun. The interface is clean, uncluttered, and designed for artists who want to model without getting lost in endless menus. You can sketch out shapes, push and pull surfaces, and build complex models without feeling like you need a degree in engineering. If you value creativity and quick iterations, Plasticity is a joy to use. Now Rhino. This one's the veteran. Rhino has been around for decades, and it shows in its depth. It's insanely precise, used by architects, industrial designers, and engineers worldwide. If you need exact tolerances, advanced plugins, or the ability to handle massive projects, Rhino has your back. But with power comes complexity. The learning curve is steeper, and the interface can feel overwhelming if you're just starting out. So here's the bottom line. If you're an artist or designer who wants speed, fluid creativity, and modern workflows, Plasticity will feel like freedom. But if you're building structures, products, or need bulletproof precision, Rhino is still the heavyweight champ.